Now, today's plan is to head up to Luciano's shop. He's usually got more than one project going on right now. He's in the middle of doing a Zx7R and a Honda motor. And he's got the motor apart, among other things. So I always enjoy the socialization. I like to see how much progress he's made. He's made a lot of progress on the Zx7R, and I love the nose section of this bike. Those giant ram airs, oh boy, that reminds me of my R1. One of the reasons I like the R1. Anyway, he's had a lot of little quirks, and I've had to paint the tank. He's got a spare tank. I have already got done painting it. And he's got the Chinese bodywork all on there assembled. The Honda motor is apart. I love to see these motors when they're apart. What technology goes into them. He's going to give me some tips on lining up the cams today. And a couple other things maybe of interest to you. But it's always interesting visiting Luciano's shop. Always. It looks good, baby. It looks good. The gauges look brand new. I thought you bought replacement gauges.
No. That's the original miles from the other model downstairs.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that really came out nice. Wow.
I was surprised that they painted really much pretty good, eh?
Yeah, Stevie Wonder did a good job. What did you do to him? Take his eye patch off or what?
A new guy with the full vision.
No, full guy with two eyes. Oh, yeah. Now, what goes on the front? Is there a cover goes on the front of that? Like a fiberglass?
No, it's a plastic cover. You don't see all the...
Oh, yeah, you don't see the rubber, yeah.
Yeah, you don't see that. I just painted the black.
Oh, okay.
Painted. And the seats look pretty good, eh?
It looks really good. The whole thing came out nice. Oh. I did Turbo Steve's seat yesterday. A couple days ago. He came over and picked it up.
If I think of what a mess this bucket was, oh my God.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. You're going to make it like brand new anyway. So what's the difference? Yeah, it really came out nice. I'm shocked how nice it came out. Even the fender came out nice.
The fender...
Is that a Chinese fender?
It was already painted.
Oh, okay. But we take full credit for it anyway.
Yeah.
The truth, don't let the truth get in the way of a good restoration story.
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever been to Luciano's without having a good time.
Cover for the timing gear.
Yeah.
It has a O-ring over there.
Okay.
Like a brand new. They put silicone on top of the O-ring when they didn't need it. It's not flat.
Yeah.
When it's flat, you may want to change it.
Yeah, I understand.
This is totally round. They put that's.
And this is the guy that didn't line up the cams with the crankshaft. Oh. I can't wait to see that.
They're not molded, and they're not molded. They glue it.
Oh,
they glue it. So
in China?
Yeah, sometimes they come off. You have to put the JB weld.
Yeah. Together. How do they expect to take over the world when they glue things like they would hot glue?
It's supposed to be molded. And
sometimes getting the little parts right on a restoration is a big challenge. Talk about it, it's so bad. This is still one of my favorite bikes. This was one of the nicer ones. Yeah, you got to get the protector thing for the tank still.
Yeah.
What else? That you'll scratch that the first time you ride the bike.
It's $20, so I'm gonna put it on your credit card.
Yeah, put it on my credit card. Yeah, I'll write you a check on ice and pay you in the summer. And every time I'm up there, I watch these projects unfold. The last time you were here, you told me that you went to get a mirror. It is only, they give you only one mirror.
In the bottom, the fine prints, you only get one.
Yeah, well, yeah. Did you tell them you want to, or?
No, I had to click it again and buy that one.
Oh. That's a nice front end. I like that. I like that. I like the R1 with the big air ram. Yeah, that's nice.
It's a huge ram here.
My new camera's coming today. It's supposed to come today with the...
How you pay?
I got to see what the final bill was because I bought accessories too.
Is it a cheaper one?
No, it's got... So now we're going to go see the other adventures that are going on here. Oh my God. Hey! I really do like the big scoops in the front like the R1. Now that goes over the ram air? These are the two covers go over the ram air?
Yeah.
Yeah, that came out nice.
This is supposed to be satin paint. It looks like a shine to me. Right?
Yeah, it's shiny. But if you buy the shiny paint, it'll come out satin. That's the way it works. Yeah, satin my ass. That's where this like
it's
looks.
shiny. This is something in my ass. Watch your space.
Oh! Oh! Spray it again.
It's wet.
Oh my God!
750
Oh, this okay. I'll take it. Yeah.
Yeah. This one. This is the head gasket and base gasket.
Well, I hope we never have to use it. But you owe me a favor anyway.
They're free anyway.
Yeah, free is good. Okay. Let's see this puppy. You got the pistons back in?
Yeah.
All right.
This one. $80 for boot.
Wow.
$80. What are you gonna do? You can't put it all the gasket back.
It's a good thing you got a lot of paper to print more money.
Yeah.
That's all I got to say.
This is all done. See? The valves are done.
You lapped them all in?
Yes,
Cleaned
all
everything up?
done. Totally done.
Yeah.
They are the keepers. You know where they were?
No.
On the floor.
Yeah, that came out nice.
So the piston had some carbon. I just took care of it apart, clean it. Rings gap is perfect.
And sometimes he's got 2 or 3 engines apart at the same time.
See.
Boy, that cleaned up nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
It's a pain in the ass getting a cylinder on there though by yourself.
you have to put to the middle first.
Yeah. You want to do it right now?
Yeah, no. I got.
Oh, okay. I could come over and help
No,
you.
I can't put it. I'm waiting for the gaskets.
Oh.
And
I always learn something every time I'm there.
this is on top of the head. On top of the head, eventually the thread here. So to put the cylinder, it's gonna be a challenge.
Yeah, but you got these to line it up. Where's the other one? Here. You got that to line it up.
Yeah.
While you get the bolts
I know,
in.
but you see after all the cylinder.
Yeah, I know. You got to have 2 people. It's more fun with you.
It's the only way to put the one bolt here, one bolt there.
Yeah.
At least the cylinder stays one pressure
right.
doesn't move.
Yep. There's so many little tricks and tips on putting these engines back together. Okay.
Some of the camshaft, they got the bolts here. You can remove with the sprocket.
Yeah, and fine tune it.
This is why you can remove it. You can remove it.
It's all one piece.
So there's a line here, exhaust. Of course, the exhaust that goes on the front here.
Yeah.
This is the exhaust here. And this is the intake, right? Okay. You have to time it 1 and 4 until you line on the mark. And then you put the camshaft on. Then you have to time the camshaft with the in mark and the exhaust mark line up on the top of the head.
Right.
And then you're okay. Now, when you put the camshaft tensioner, the timing may move a little bit.
It moves, yeah.
It moves a little bit. So
you got to go back and forth till you get it right.
Couple of two,
Right.
until T lines up perfect.
Right.
Then you turn the motor 2 or 3 times until everything is perfect. And then you can put it all together and you're not going to have a disaster.
Yeah, that's what this guy did. He didn't line that up when he put it together the first
The
time.
bobs that were top of the piston.
They were hitting.
The motor wouldn't turn.
Well, lucky he didn't force it. So what's left to do on this now? It's ready to put back in the bike? It's ready to go?
Find the time to put it back in the bike. It's not going to be now. And this son of a guy is so heavy, it's unbelievable.
You need more toys. Every time I'm here, I think you need more toys. How could a man be happy without buckets of toys? You need more. So before I leave, I got to take one more look at this baby. Boy, I remember the day we picked it up. Woo, what a difference, huh?
Oh my God.
It's like a different bike.
It was good.
Yeah, you did a great job. I got to give you full credit.
Yep.
Now, I always do enjoy the days I go up to Luciano's and we just hang out, and sometime we have a cappuccino or whatever, but he's always working on something interesting. And of course, my interest is mainly in these older bikes. They need a lot of tender love and care. They need a lot of little quirks to you work around, and a lot of the workarounds we do, they're on the videos that I post every day. And this was one of the ones I painted. And some of the ones he's gotten a Chinese bodywork for, and then we just had to paint the tank. And the Zx7R turned out to be one of the really neat projects. And this Honda motor, when he was done with it, ran like a jewel. So, and it's always fun just hanging out. You don't have to do anything other than just hang out, enjoy a cup of coffee, and oogle the motorcycles. And thanks so much for watching.